Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 9-speed automatic transmission. This guy comes in the bright white and it looks great. You do have the black accenting up on the front with your Jeep logo there, and you do have the red accented tow hooks hanging out there. You do have bifunction projector style headlights, and you do have your fog lights hanging out there. And coming around the side we do have 17-inch rims with Firestone brand tires. They look great. You do have heated exterior mirrors there and the Cherokee logo. Now coming around the back we do have the Trailhawk logo and the Jeep and the 4x4, plus you got some more tow hooks in the back here and your backup camera. Now as long as it's unlocked, you just got to press this button here and open it up. Now you got lots of room back here. It is very soft as well. It'll keep things nice and safe for you. You got a bit of additional storage on the sides, and you also have your spare tire just under there, and you can fold those seats forward. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we do have 2 presses to activate our remote start. Remote start is especially nice in the winter. It'll get nice and warm for you. You won't have to be going outside in your pajamas or anything. Now on the door here we do have our electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. Bit of silver accenting, handle here, and some leather here with that red stitching. Gives it a very nice look. You do also have a bit of storage down here with a water bottle holder. And then down here we do have the controls of our seat, so backward and forward with the tilt and the lumbar support. And then over here we do have the controls of our lights, so our daytime running lights, our auto, our off, and our low beams, as well as you push in for your fog lights. And then right over here we do have the in-cabin light control. And over here we have our turning signals and our high beams. Okay, let's start her up. So key in the ignition. And we are good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature, and that cluster display in the middle looks very nice. It does also say what temperature it is outside, what gear we're in, and how many kilometers, which is only 49,000, not very many. Now we can change that to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip info, stop start options, audio, stored messages, screen setup, and back to your speedometer. It is controlled from your steering wheel here, plus you have your call out, your voice recognition, your hang up button for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. And then over here we do also have the controls over our windshield wipers. In the center we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display, so we do have AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as you have your media device if you have one hooked up through aux cord, Bluetooth, SD card, or USB. And you also have your controls over your heated seat and heated steering wheel, and the same on the other side. And then you have your climate control, so you can raise and lower the heat and all that. You got your navigation, so you can see that if you view map, we are on Recreation Place, of course. And then you have your phone if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, and your settings all right there. You got your hazard lights there, and then down in the climate control, we have our volume up and down with our mute, our screen off, our traction control, our stop start, our back button. Then we have our AC, our circulation, heat up and down, power off, our browser, and then also our defrosts there. As well, when you do shift into reverse, you do have that backup camera. Very nice, and it'll keep you safe. You also have your SD card slot, your aux cord, and your USB there. And then we have the controls over our 4-wheel low and all that right here in our downhill parking assist. Plus you have your snow, your sport, your sand and mud, and your rock mode all there. It just helps you drive in those different situations a bit more. We do have our gear shift right here and our electronic parking brake, so if your foot's on the brake, all you gotta do is pull it back or push it forward to deactivate it. Then you have your cup holders right there, and in the center you got more of that red stitching on your armrest, top layer and a bottom layer. You do have a USB plug-in in there as well, and then you have a locking glove box over here, lots of room with your owner's manual in there. And then up top you do have a sunglass holder, as well as your controls over your sunroof. And it is a very large dual pane sunroof as well. Take a look in the back here, open this guy up. Now on the door here you do have that same silver accenting. You got that red stitching in the leather and the handle with your control over your window. You got some storage right down there as well. Leather back here, it looks fantastic, feels great. You can also pull this guy down, and you do have your cup holders and an armrest there. And you can fold this down just like this, and then you do have a flat surface to lay things down on if you did need to. And there's our 3.6 liter V6 engine. That does it for my walk-around video of the 2015 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.